Hello everybody, I'm back with another Charlie's haul. Now she had released some new glitters, so I got a couple of the collections. My hands are really shaky today, I don't know why, but I'm very shaky. So I got a couple of the collections. Again, I'll do the same as I did with Nail Sugar and I'll get a bit at a time, but look in there, look! So I'll empty this out and I'll be back. Okay, let's start with the things that aren't glitter. Well, I suppose these sort of are. Some things are getting discontinued. So I got these, the iridescent strands. I got yellow and I got the red. They are lovely. They're nice too, but I really, really like them. So that's those. Excuse me. I got a new Happy Birthday decal set. I know they'll get used. They're really cool. And I got another Christmas set to put by for a giveaway. If I don't have these, I'll put them in my own folder. But I think they'll be going in a giveaway. As for embellishments this time round, I got more of the sunflowers because I've already used one of the other ones and I want to make sure I've got some. And I've got another couple of bows, but these are doubles, so ones I've already got. So these are actually to go in giveaway bags. So one of you lucky lot will be getting them. Okay, everything else is glitter. So we'll start with the neon collection that I got. Oh, as I say, I only bought 2 collections for now. So we have, these are all fine matte neon. So we've got blue, green, yellow, purple, pink and orange. Now I love these. I'm a matte nail person. I do like matte nails. So I do have neon glitters but not matte ones. So I think these are really cool. So we'll be potting these up later on. Whatever doesn't fit in my pots, I'll be staying in these wee bags for giveaways. So somebody's going to share these with me if they don't all fit in the pot. But it's 5 gram pots I've got, so they should, I think. But sometimes Charlie's quite generous, so you don't know if things are going to fit in the pots that you allocate for them. So that's them. You can see a slight iridescence in that neon. It's lovely. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's really, really nice. So that's the matte neon ones that I ordered. Love them. And the rest is all fine holographic. So we've got raspberry. Love it. I think I might have that actually. Gold. Have to have a gold. Mixed glitter, which is just, I don't know how to describe it. It's lovely. You can't pinpoint a certain colour, but you can see all different colours in it. Beautiful. We have red. They really are nice. Green, forest green, which is lovely. Cadbury purple, and it really is a proper Cadbury, I think. So nice. Lilac. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Can you see the hollow? Oh my god. Oh my god. We have royal blue. This is one of my favourites. Oh, it's a better watch. I didn't pierce that. See what I did to my nail? I was putting things in the boot of my car and I misjudged my spatial awareness and took the whole thing off. So I need to fix it. I also need to fix this because I caught this as well. Anyway, back to glitter. Yeah, royal blue. We also have ocean blue. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. It's perfect for this time of year. I can see mermaid or beach, ocean themes. Well, obviously it's ocean blue. But I can see so many ideas for this colour. I love it. We have rose pink, which, that is more than 5 grams in there. That bag is so full, it's flat. It's beautiful. In fact, I think I might use this today because as you see I have blank nails and I really need to fix them, so we might be using that. It's lovely. Yeah, rose pink. I wasn't sure if I told you or not. Silver. Got to have a silver, haven't you? And it's like a proper linear hollow. I mean, you can see the linear going through it. I hope the camera's picking it up. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And we have copper. Now, I have colours similar to this, but I don't think I have one the same. Do you know that old thing where, like, you could say to a man, what colour is that? And he'll say yellow. Whereas we'll say it's sunset, or it's mustard, or it's honeybee. Yeah, that's what I'm like. I've got similar colours to this. And I think they're all named copper. But they're different coppers. But that is lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. So that is what we got from Charlie's this time round. What's your favourites? What do you like? What would you like to win in a giveaway? Tell me now down below and maybe we can make that happen. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.